So it's April 7th here in New York, and we're in the Hudson Valley region. It's really a beautiful time of year. As you can see, spring is just in its infant beginning stages. The bulk of the forest is still brown, still bare, and I just love coming out this time of year. It's like the calm before the storm, before the beautiful storm, when everything's just gonna fill out. It's a really special time of year, special time of the turning of the seasons, and so we'll be coming out here. And then some of the medicinal plants and edible plants, early spring, the early shoots, is when it's the best time to harvest some of them. All the trees are still bare. You can see that this shrub right here is just starting to get some green. In a couple of months, it's all gonna fill out. What's nice about the winter is you can see the landscape from really far distances when the trees are bare. You can see everything here is still bare. Everything's still brown and bare, but not for long. This is one of my favorite things to see, is the landscape of the town. Yeah, I'm up here. This is a really high cliff right here, actually. Here it's very, very early spring, and this is here, we can see the mullen plant right here. It has this very soft texture, and you can see that's where the stalk is going to come.